Hello friends, welcome to Tanushree Reading Room. A very good morning to you all. Today I'm ready with a new playlist that is vocabulary practice. Here we'll use different words to fill in the blanks according to their appropriation and we'll enjoy them. He was not ready for the concert. In bracket we have be, and be is a verb which has 5 components: am, is, was, are, were. I don't know where he will be right now. Be is a verb. It is in the brackets also, and this sentence notifies us that it is always not necessary that the word in the bracket has to be changed when we fill in a blank. So friends, please note here, the word be which is in the bracket is remaining the same in the fill in the blanks, and it is not necessary to change the word into some other form. Are you okay now? Be is again a verb which is in the bracket and its component are is used. I repeat, be verb has 5 components: am, is, was, are, were. Where is he now? Be is a verb whose component is being used. Am, is, was, are, were are the 5 components of be verb. I am busy right now. Be is a verb whose component am is being used. They were too late for the party. Be is a verb whose component were is being used. I was always ready to help him. Be is a verb whose component was is being used in the blank. Were you willing for this job? Be is a verb whose component were is being used in the blank. So friends, in all the sentences, for the initial lesson I have given only 8 set of sentences so that it becomes easy for you to understand that how be verb is used in several ways in several sentences, so that you get habituated to the 5 components of be verb which we use very frequently in our day-to-day life, whether it is while speaking or it is while writing or it is while communicating or conversing with others normally. So I repeat again, am, is, was, are, were are the 5 components of be verb which are very important whether we write or we speak or we communicate or we converse in English with others. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Tanushree's Reading Room to get updates of this kind daily and stay in touch with me. Give me your feedback, give me your valuable suggestions, comments, how I can help you further. What all areas you want me to focus upon. If you want any lesson to be prepared for you specially, then please do let me know in the comments section. You can also follow me in Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Please do let me know what are your requirements, in what are the ways I can help you. This was not a request. This I totally made out of my mind, that these small words, small components of be verb are sometimes very confusing and people face a lot of difficulties in whether to use them or not while writing or while speaking. But if you have your own area, your own choice which you want me to discuss or elaborate in my reading room, please do let me know. I'll be glad to share with you all. Okay, so take care, stay happy, always feel positive, determined, confident and motivated, and please do let me know your feedback regarding this lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to Tanushree's Reading Room if you really like my lessons. I'll be in touch with you daily with new lessons, with new concepts and with newer ways of learning and sharing. So friends, bye bye for now. See you in my next lesson.